Imagine you have all the money in the world, the most expensive cars, luxurious mansions. But there is one thing you do not own: your time. You still have to wake up at 6 a.m. to that hated sound of the alarm clock. You still have to meet with people you dislike because you are forced to. If this is the case, are you truly wealthy? Today, we are talking about the most important chapter of Morgan Housel's book, The Psychology of Money, Freedom. Most people save money to buy things. But the greatest value of money is not objects, it is options. Morgan Housel says the highest form of wealth is the ability to wake up every morning and say, I can do whatever I want today. Your savings are not just a number, they are the ability to quit a job without fear if your boss yells at you. It is the ability to focus on recovery without worrying about costs if you fall ill. This is what true freedom looks like. Here's an interesting fact. People today live much wealthier lives than our ancestors in the 1950s. Our houses are bigger, our cars are faster. Yet, research shows we aren't any happier. Why? Because we've lost control over our time. In the past, work ended at the factory or the field. Today, thanks to notifications on your phone, work follows you right into your bedroom. Let's compare two people. The first earns $10,000 a month, but must answer client calls even on weekends. The second earns $2,000, but can go for a walk with his children whenever he wants. Psychologically, who is wealthier? The second one. Because the biggest enemy of happiness is the feeling that you lack control over your own life. Money is meant to give that control back to you. The goal of investing shouldn't be to buy more things. It should be to buy back your time. When you see someone driving a $100,000 car, what do you think? They must be very rich. In reality, we only know one thing for sure. Their wealth is $100,000 less than it was before they bought that car. We often confuse looking rich with being wealthy. Richness is current income. It's the big house and the fancy watch. It's easy to see. Wealth, however, is invisible. Wealth is the car not purchased. It's the diamond ring not worn. It's the money in the bank that hasn't been spent yet. Wealth is the options you haven't used yet. You drive an expensive car to impress others, thinking they will see how successful you are. But the truth is, no one is looking at you. They are looking at the car, imagining themselves inside it. You are simply a visual object for their own dreams. Respect cannot be bought with a car. It is earned through character, humility, and discipline. Why is it so hard to save? Because the world forces us to spend. We see what people buy on Instagram, but we never see what they save. Morgan Housel argues that you don't need a specific reason to save money. You don't need to be saving for a house or a car. You can save just for the sake of saving. Wealth creation comes down to one thing: your income minus your ego. Being thrifty doesn't require earning more. It requires caring less about what others think. Savings give you the right to say no. It gives you a gap in a world of surprises. It allows you to wait for the right opportunity instead of being forced to take the first thing that comes your way. In conclusion, saving is not just about keeping money in a bank. It is about maintaining control over your life, your time, and your future. Don't wait for a reason to save. Start putting money away for your future self, for your freedom. What is wealth to you? Is it the envious looks of strangers or the invisible freedom in your bank account? Share your thoughts in the comments.